Finally, my gate, waiting for my gate. Gate 131.
We're calling the attention of the outgoing guests on flight 5J3961 bound for Davao. Outgoing guest, Mr. Jomar Day Bayot. Mr. Jomar Day Bayot, guest of your around. Cardiac College Gate 117. Cebu Pacific front desk immediately.
Thank you.
Huh? Oh, no need for ID? Oh. 18F. Need help?
Okay, thank you.
Problem.
Punta ka na doon. Anong number mo?
Need help?
Okay, thank you.
Eh?
Dapat sa kabila, D.
Okay, thank you.
18F. 18F. Okay, thank you. Oh, hi. Thanks. 18F window seat. Oh, sorry. Whoops. Okay. So we're in the plane already, and we're waiting for the door of the plane to close. Check out the view out here. I'm by the wing of the plane. Those guys are leaving. Still waiting for something.
Welcome you guys on board the Cebu Pacific Flight 5G395 Airbus A320 jet service between Manila and Cagayan de Oro. For the moment, we're still waiting to settle some final documents on board the flight deck, and we should be ready to close the main cabin doors anytime soon. Try to push back and depart southeastbound out of Manila for Cagayan de Oro. Flight details, flight times approximately about 1 hour and 20 minutes, traffic and weather permitting, and should be expected to cruise at an altitude of 35,000 feet. Weather forecasted surrounding Manila is forecasted to be a lovely morning with ground temperature of 26 degrees and some fair winds coming from the south portion of the airport. Expecting clear skies during initial climb to our cruising altitude. En route, weather is generally fair. However, for your safety and comfort, I would respect to fasten seatbelt signs at all times. And Cagayan de Oro weather update will be provided prior to our descent preparation. And here in Cebu Pacific, where we make first moments happen with you, your safety and comfort is always our priority. May we request all guests to kindly pay attention to any announcements that be coming from the flight deck and the cabin crew. Usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. And should you require any further assistance, please do not hesitate to approach any of our crew members on board the aircraft. We'll be more than happy to assist you. And for the meantime, just sit back, relax, and make yourselves feel comfortable in your seats, and we'll be keeping you posted for further updates as we progress on for this morning's flight. Once again, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific Flight 5G395 jet service between Manila to Cagayan de Oro. On behalf of Captain Fritz Pillarmino and the rest of our team, magandang umaga po.
20 minuto.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats, fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Excuse me, can you put the charging cables, please? The seatbelt mo lang yun.
For your comfort, we will wait in the cabin lights. Guest EA or reading may switch on their individual reading lights on the passenger service